Students, today we are going to start chapter 6 triangles of class 10 general maths. Now before starting this chapter triangles, I need to introduce some topics like congruent figures, similar figures. Now look, what is the congruent figure? As you can see in the video, two geometrical figure which have the same shape and size are known as the congruent figure, which means student, it is very clear that congruent figure should be equal, means same shape and same size. But similar figures is quite different from the congruent. Similar figures are those figures, those geometrical figures which have the same shape but different size, which means shapes may be same but size are different. Say, let me take us the example of square may be big and small, so it is a similar figure if it is big and small square. But if two squares are equal in size and shape, so we can say that it is a congruence. Next one is similar polygon. Two polygons having the same number of sides are said to be similar polygons. In similar polygons, their corresponding angles are equal and the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. These are the two basic points for the similar polygons. Next one is equiangular triangle. Two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal, which means in a particular two triangles, if all the corresponding angles are equal, so we can say that it is equiangular. For example, if two triangles may be ABC and PQR, so angle A equal to angle P and B is equal to Q, C is equal to R, so we can say that it is a equiangular triangle. Students, now today we are going to solve that exercise 6.1 from class 10 general maths chapter triangle. 6.1 is not so important, but then also we have to solve this one is because for one mark question it is quite important. So look the question, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the bracket. All circles are, there is two words, congruence or similar. We have to write here the correct word. Now I am doing this solution in the book only. So all circles are congruent and similar. What is the answer here? Answer is similar. All circles are similar, as because already I told that similar means size is same but shape is different. But in congruence, shape and size both are equal. So circles may be big, maybe small, that's why it is similar. Next one, all squares are similar congruent. So here also squares may be big and small, so it is similar. Next one, all triangles are similar, isosceles and equilateral. So if it is equilateral, then it is similar. If it is equilateral, then it is similar. Why? Because in equilateral triangle, all sides and all angles are equal, so we can say that it is a similar. But in isosceles, two sides equal but angles may not be equal. Now look, number 4, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if A, their corresponding angles are dash, and B, their corresponding sides are dash. Answer is given equal and proportional. So students, in the first case, their corresponding angles are equal. We'll write here equal. First one is equal here. Corresponding angles are equal, first one. And second one here, corresponding sides are proportional. Here we'll write down this word proportional here. Corresponding sides are proportional here. This answer is proportional. So question number 1 is over. Normally comes for the 1 mark question. Look student, for exercise 6.1 question number 2, give 2 examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. So we have to give some examples. For similar figure, students, I am not writing here, I am just telling the answer. 2 Roman 1 similar figure, maybe similar means 2 circles or 2 squares, so we'll write here the answer is any 2 circle. Number 1 is any 2 circle and any 2 square. This is the answer. 2 Roman 1 answer is any two circle and any two square. This is the answer of 2 Roman 1. Now 2 Roman 2 non-similar figure. So we can say that an equilateral triangle and one scalene triangle. First one, since it is said that two different, so first one is over. Second one is one equilateral triangle, one right angle, which means equilateral triangle is equal for the first one, equilateral triangle and scalene triangle, and second one is equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. This is the answer of 2 Roman 2. Now 2 Roman 3, question number 3. Two figures are there, as you can see in the video. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Now students, look, quadrilateral means a figure bounded by 4 line segments. It is called a quadrilateral. It may be a trapezium, maybe a square, rectangle, maybe a parallelogram also. All are under the quadrilateral. Now the question says that state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So we have to check whether it is similar or not. Now look, for the similar, what is the condition for similarity? For the similarity, conditions are their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. But look here, corresponding angles are not equal here because there is 90, there is less than 90, there is 90, there is less than 90, and corresponding sides are in equal same ratio. There is 3 centimeter, there is 1.5, 3 cm, 1.5 cm, which means corresponding angles are not also equal, corresponding sides are not equal. So we can say that state whether the following quadrilaterals are not similar or not. So answer is no, the given quadrilateral are not same, or we can say that the given quadrilaterals are not equal. This is the answer of the 6.1 question number 3. And students, here this 6.1 exercise is over, and before starting the 6.2 exercise there is 2 theorems. Now let's have a look how to solve that theorem first. After that we will start the 6.2, and 6.1 is only for the 1 mark question.